Hey YouTube, it's your girl Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a quarantine with me, or a day in the life of somebody who is quarantined and working and has a child at home. I wanted to just do a video talking about what life is like now that we're quarantined and I'm still working from home. I don't want to say I'm an essential worker or anything, because I definitely don't. I haven't really been helping anybody with anything. I don't want to give myself that type of credit, but I do work an office job and we have been working from home, so I am continuing to work from home every day. So I still have work, so I still do have a bit of a morning routine in the mornings and stuff like that. So I wanted to just share that with you guys today. So yeah, I just woke up. It is 7 o'clock and I am about to brush my teeth, wash my face, and get some clothes on, get myself into the right mood, and clean up a little bit before I start working. I start working at 8:30, so I have an hour and a half to get all my stuff done. So that is what we're gonna do now. So first things first, I'm gonna brush my teeth, wash my face, and all that stuff. So now I have my teeth brushed and my face nice and clean, and so now I'm gonna go ahead and find some clothes to put on. Good morning. How are you? You had a good sleep?
Yeah.
Why'd you wake up so early?
Have school.
You almost a little bit have school?
Yeah.
Okay, you don't have school right now.
I only want to wake up early because I don't have school. That's why.
Okay, so since, oh, sliding is good. Okay, so since the kids have been quarantined and everything right now, my daughter has been sleeping with me and my husband in our bed, having little sleepovers here and again. So this particular night she did sleep with us, so she has just woken up. So now I'm gonna get her started. She usually doesn't wake up this early. It's 7:15 now and she's up very early this morning. She usually wakes up at like 10, 11, even sometimes 12, but today she woke up super early, so I'm gonna get her ready for the morning also.
I already think of what kind of picture you will do today.
Okay, so first you have to go and brush your teeth. So let's go into the bathroom so you can brush your teeth.
Together?
And I brushed my teeth already, but you can show everybody how you know how to brush your teeth. You want to show them how you know how to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Now that she is up, I can actually make the bed because I'm surprised she woke up so early. So I'm gonna go ahead and make the bed and change my clothes, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Gone ahead and made the bed, and I'm just going to tidy up a little bit. I really want to get new bed sheets. We've had this floral sheet for so long, but we love it because it's big. It's a king size comforter, so we use this as our comforter, and it fits perfectly over me and babe, because when we use a queen size, this bed is a queen size bed, but when we use a queen size comforter, we're fighting for the covers in the night, because I like to wrap up in a cocoon, he likes to wrap up in a cocoon. We both cannot cocoon in a queen sheet comforter or queen size comforter. And you too, when you sleep with us in the bed. So I do want to get a new nice king size comforter. I checked on Amazon, but Amazon said it won't ship until May because it's not an essential item, I guess. So I'm on the hunt for a nice king size comforter. Anyways, I'm going to get my clothes on. I just took out just a long sleeve shirt and a pair of leggings, and I don't know if I'm going to do my makeup today. Yes?
When you're done putting on your clothes, are you going to come watch me?
Yes, you need to start first. You need to start brushing your teeth first, so I can come and take a video of you brushing your teeth. So can you start to brush your teeth for me first, please? You need to start first. So go start and then I'll come.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. So I don't know if I'm gonna do my makeup today. You guys have been so into makeup lately. I don't know why. I've just been loving makeup, and I've been wearing makeup almost every single day now because I actually have the time now. I have the time to wear makeup and put on makeup. When I'm getting up to go to the office everywhere, I don't have time because I have to get her ready for school. I have to get myself ready, need to make lunch, all that stuff, and I just don't have the time. But now since we're home and I don't have to necessarily make lunch for the day and all that stuff, I just take the day as it comes. So it's giving me time to do my makeup in the morning. I don't know if I'm gonna do my makeup today. I don't know, but I'm gonna go ahead and get my clothes on, and I'll come back and tune with you guys in a bit. Okay, so I am now ready. I just have on this just plain magenta color top, long sleeve top, sweater, whatever, and leggings, and I'm gonna go ahead and put my slippers. I'm just gonna go in with some Vaseline on my lips because we gotta make sure the lips stay hydrated. So lots of Vaseline. I'm dressed and I have clothes on and I'm ready to go ahead and start the day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head out into the living room and the kitchen. I did not clean up last night, so I need to go and do all of that right now. So I'm going to go in the kitchen, wash up the dishes that we didn't wash up yesterday, and just clean up a little bit. And then I still have an hour before I have to start at 7:30 now. Start at 8:30, so I still have an hour. So I'm going to go and get that started. You finished putting on your clothes? Let's see.
My shirt is on. My pants is on. My socks are still on.
Very good. So are you hungry right now? Do you want to eat something right now, or do you want to wait a little bit?
I want to wait a little bit.
Okay. So when you're hungry, you let me know. Okay, mommy's just cleaning up a little bit because we didn't clean up yesterday before we went to bed.
Mommy, can I go have a candy and watch TV?
You cannot have candy so early in the morning. You need to eat something for breakfast first. Did you put lotion on your face? Go put a little bit of lotion on your face and Vaseline on your lips, please.
Okay.
Thank you. So I straightened out the table really quickly. I actually have some workbooks and stuff here for her to work on later because she's not really getting much schoolwork to complete. So I have some schoolwork and stuff here for her to do, some pencils, some crayons, things to color, little activity books and stuff. And then what I like to do next is say hello to my plants. I am a plant mommy now. I have a palm tree plant and I have a little succulent over here. So I would just come and check to see if they need any water. And now we go into the kitchen. Did not clean up the kitchen yesterday, so there are dishes and stuff that need to be done. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on that now. So now that the sink area is nice and clean, I'm just gonna go ahead and work on our little like snack counter because it's kind of messy. We have lots of quarantine snacks, as you guys can see. But I'm just gonna straighten up here, wipe down the counter, put certain things away because you can see all this stuff is kind of just all over the place. So yeah. Empty box, nothing is in it. My work day is from 8:30 to 5:15, so it's an 8-hour shift. So I'll be sitting here for the rest of the day just getting some of my work done. So in between I will be stopping to show you guys how I am incorporating Shania and her schoolwork, because her teachers do post some work for her to do. She is in kindergarten, so she doesn't really have much work to do, just, you know, some writing, some little reading activities and stuff. But I bought some workbooks for her to work on as well. So during my lunch break, which will be at 12, I will be going through that stuff with her, just because I'll have the time to sit down and focus and really work with her to get her work done. So I'll be doing that at 12. So between now and 12, I'm gonna just be sitting here working. So I will tune in with you guys later on. What is up, you guys? It is now later on. It is about after 1 at this point, and we just had some lunch. I just ordered some McDonald's for us to have for lunch, so shout out to McDonald's. And we have Shania here, and it is now time for her to do some of her schoolwork. So her teachers have posted some stuff on this app called Seesaw. So they post like a activity or something for them to do. So we're gonna check that out. And I'm also going to give her some pages to do out of her like little workbook. I got her some workbooks to do like writing, and you're going to do it. You will be doing it. To do some like writing and numbers and tracing and all that stuff. So that's what we're going to do now. And then I'm going to be writing. You don't like doing writing?
No.
Well, writing is important. You have to do it. And so while she's doing that, I'm going to get back to work because my lunch break is going to be ending soon. So let's get started. Here, so first you're going to start off with the workbook.
What kind of workbook? Mom, can I do numbers?
You want to say hi to the vlog, babe?
No.
Wow, okay, fine. Okay, so.
Number.
Yeah?
Mommy, I will choose myself.
Hi, Flag, babe.
Hi, Daddy.
Huh? You want to say hi to the people? Okay, say hi to the vlog.
Oh, you feel like that.
Hi, Daddy.
Okay, so. Okay, first you're going to start off with this one.
Yeah, look at numbers. Number. Now, where did you get these from? From
the store.
What kind of store? The dog store?
So here's the first task that you need to do. The first thing you need to do is you need to connect all of the letters in order. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L,
M, N, O, P.
So you're gonna keep going. So first I want you to do this, okay? So do that first.
Okay.
Okay. Good job. Okay, good job. So let's show the vlog your castle. Let's show them.
What?
You did good. So she had to connect all of the letters and it made this castle. So now you're going to work on this page. So what letter is this?
A
And what letter? A for?
ambulance.
For what?
This.
What is this?
A.
What is it? Say it again.
A for ambulance.
Ambulance, not ambulance. Ambulance. And then B for?
Bus.
Okay. So you're gonna trace the A, and then you're gonna write your own A's, the capital A. Then you're gonna trace the lowercase a and do your own. So do that for me first.
I'm gonna do the lowercase. I'm gonna do
The capital one first.
okay, because that's the first one after A, after the capital letter A. Almost done. Keep tracing. These are not my own ones. These are different.
Hey y'all. Okay, so Shania has been here working on her work for today. She has completed this workbook here. It's just a ABC 1, 2, 3 activity workbook, and has coloring and stuff like that. So the first task she had to do was connect the letters in order, so A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, blah blah blah, and it made a castle. And then it went into printing, so she did uppercase and lowercase a's, although these are looking more like d's. The lines are on the wrong side, so I'm gonna have to let her go back and do that over. And then she did the b's here. The b's are done well, except for here it got a little messy. Hey Shania, you need to work on your a's. Your a's over here look like the letter D. So you see how the line is on that side? Now your lines are on the other side. It looks like a D. So that's okay. You just made a little mistake. That's okay. Just have to remember to do it the right way the next time, okay? Okay, so now your teacher said you need to draw a picture of your family. So I see you started here.
I made you.
Oh, this one is me.
And that's me.
Okay, so now you got to make daddy over here. You got to make daddy over here look big just like mommy, okay?
Yeah,
So
but
make
let me
daddy.
tell you the items on here.
Okay.
First, I was standing on the bread, and I was afraid going down. And then I put your hand up here.
Yeah.
Then I put my hand here, so you could help me get down.
So you're standing on bread. Bread. Okay, sure. That's fine. Sure. So now you just have to make daddy over here, make daddy nice and big, okay? And
And he
then
will
once
help
you
me get
finish
down.
that, then you'll be done your work for today. Okay?
Yes. Wait. I have one more question.
Okay.
And when I'm making the next hand,
Mm-hmm.
I will help make daddy holding my hand to
Oh,
so
so
I
we're
can jump down.
so we're both holding your hand.
Yeah, so I could jump down.
Okay, you keep doing that, no problem. It's about 2:30 right now, and the day is almost done. Like I said before, my day ends at 5:15. At least my work day finishes at 5:15. But then I have YouTube stuff that I need to work on. So I have videos that I need to edit. I have a video that I need to film. Yes, videos with you. And I also need to do some planning of upcoming content that I want to do. So if you guys are interested in any specific type of content, then please leave those down below so I can make this type of videos for you guys. But I have started to write down different videos ideas so far, so hopefully I can implement those in the near future. So yeah, the only thing I really have left to do is just to finish up my work, and then I'm gonna start dinner a little bit later on, so I will tune in back with you guys at that time. Hey y'all, it is so much more later now. It is like about 10 p.m. now, and I should have been vlogging this evening, but I was so busy editing some YouTube videos and getting my content together. So yeah, it is much later now. After Shania finished up her work, you know, she did some things on her own, watched TV, played around or whatever, and after I finished work, I started working on some YouTube videos that I'm working on. So make sure you guys go and check out my most recent video. I will link it down below in the description box and also in the comment section below. So that is what we did. We got dinner, watched TV for a little bit, and Shania and my husband are gone to bed, and I'm still up because I'm still working on a video. It is currently uploading, so I'm just waiting for it to finish, and then I am going to take my makeup off, have a shower, and go to bed. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I know it wasn't super exciting. It's just a day in the life. This is what working from home, having a small one looks like. This is just life. This is just it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.